welcome to the Canadian English Online course. Today we're going to talk about addressing people properly. Addressing people simply means how you call a person to speak to them or to write to them in a correct manner. In addressing a person, we would need a setting, a formal setting or an informal one. Formal setting. This means addressing a person at a place or business or in an official way. The first thing you need to know is who you are addressing in the formal setting. If she's a woman, the following may apply: Miss, Madam, or Mrs. when you know she is married. And if you are talking to a man, you may refer to the person as Mr. or Sir in a formal setting. Now, when we talk about informal settings, we're talking about casually addressing friends or family or a person you know very well. We can use words or titles such as honey, babe, baby, dear, sweetie, love, darling, when talking to a person whom you are very familiar with or have a romantic relationship with. When talking to a person who is very young, an informal setting, the word buddy may apply as well. That's all for today, everyone. Hope to see you again in another lesson. Goodbye.